Welcome back to the Accounting Guys YouTube channel. My name is Blake, and today we'll be talking about repair order deposits and refunds, as well as why you should use the refund by company check method of payment. I'll be your trainer today. Hope you enjoy.
So moving right in to how do you take a repair order deposit. If you go under Service, Estimates and Repair Orders, find the repair order that you want to take the deposit on. Go ahead and double click. Once you're in the repair order, you're going to go to the Deposits tab. And down at the bottom left, click Take Deposit. Here you're able to select description, cashier date, and the amount of the deposit you're going to take, as well as the method of payment of the deposit. Click Cashier, and that's how you take a deposit. Moving into refunding a deposit and refunds in general, there are a couple things to keep in mind here. First off, if you're going to be refunding cash, it's best to do it in the same day as the sale, just for the sheer reason for cash flow and making sure that you have the money to do the refund in the till so you're not going negative or you're not going below the starting amount in the till. It makes it just a little easier of keeping track of cash flow or making sure you're not having to go to the bank to pull out cash. The other thing to keep in mind is when refunding, you're just going to do the negative deposit. So for example, if we're doing a deposit for $200, you'd want to do negative $200, and that's how you're going to do the refund. So if you're doing a refund by check, you're not going to want to select the method of payment check. If you scroll down, you're going to want to use refund by company check. The reason that you're going to want to use refund by company check is because when you take cash, it goes into cash on hand, and then when you make your deposits, it goes to the bank account, and it's a batching method. So let's say customer 1 comes in with a $500 payment of cash, customer 2 pays $500, and then customer 3 comes in asking for a refund of $500 in cash. That's totally fine to do because in your till, when you take that to the bank, it's going to be as if only one of these came through because you gave this to customer 3, making your bank deposit $500. This is one of the reasons we recommend, if you're doing refund by cash, you're wanting to do it the same day, just for cash flow reasons and making it so it doesn't appear as if you're taking a negative deposit to the bank, because that's not really what happened in real life. You just took money out of your till that was the starting balance, not actually you pulled money from the bank, which is how it's going to appear in the bank reconciliation. And then with checks, it's $500 payment, $500 payment from customer 2, and then if customer 3 comes in asking for a refund by check, you're not able to just take a check that customer 2 gave you and give it to customer 3. That's why you're going to want to use refund by company check, so that this negative 500 isn't included in the bank deposit screen, so that it actually shows you took these 2 checks to the bank. But let's say it's the same day, customer 2 came in the morning, paid you $500, and then at the end of the day he came back and asked for you to remove that deposit. There you are able to do refund by check, give him his check that he wrote back to him, but other than that, you're wanting to use refund by company check. So moving on, if you go ahead and click cashier, you'll see zeroes out your deposits, takes that deposit off, and the way that you would go about clearing out that refund is if you go under payables, vendor invoice, Ashley Olson is going to be the one getting the refund. For the invoice number, you're going to want to use the repair order number to make sure that you're able to track it. Invoice total, $200, and then down here you're able to enter in that clearing account. If you're one of our clients, as part of that, we go in and update the name of the method of payment to include the clearing account number. If you don't know what it is, you can look under methods of payment, and if you come in here, it's typically the end of day miscellaneous clearing account that it goes to. But as a recommendation, we recommend you just put the account number that it goes to in the method of payment name so that you're not having to constantly look that up. And then if you click pay now, you can cut the check here, give it to the people that are getting the refund. Or if you click save down here, it saves it in pay invoices. If they called, asked for a refund, and you're just getting ready for it, you can send it to pay invoices, and then when they come in, you can pay it, cut the check then and there. So once we click OK, saves the invoice, and if we go to that account now in the chart of accounts, to this miscellaneous end of day clearing. So if we go under history, here's the negative deposit, and then here is the accounts payable. So you can see here the net effect in the clearing account is 0, and you were able to cut the check through Lightspeed, making reconciliations a lot easier and streamlining the refund process as well. That brings us to the end of this video. If you have any questions or need help walking through this process or run into any other issues, reach out to us. Our email is down below in the description. If you have any video ideas or video recommendations, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. Those are our top priorities for what videos get made next. If you like our content and don't want to miss out, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.